All right, hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to show Google Drive images inside a WordPress post and make them display properly. It's a simple setup once you know the trick, so let's get into it. So first, yeah, we need a shareable link from Google Drive. Go ahead and open the image you want to use, right-click the image, choose Get Link, and change the permissions to anyone with the link. That's super important, or the image won't load on your site. Now, Google Drive doesn't give you a direct image URL, so WordPress won't actually display it unless we convert it. Copy the link you got, then head to a Drive to direct link converter. There are a bunch out there. Any of them will work. Paste your link, click convert, and you'll get a clean direct image URL. All right, back in WordPress, open your post and switch to the Add Block button. Choose the image block or the custom HTML block if you want full control. If you pick the image block, click the little arrow next to upload and choose insert from URL. Then paste the direct link. And if you're using HTML instead, just paste this line. So, mgsrc, your direct link here. Once the image loads, you can resize it or center it, just like any other image in WordPress. Use the built-in alignment buttons or drag the corners until it looks right. And yeah, that's the whole workflow. Once you know how to convert the link, Google Drive images work perfectly inside a WordPress post. Hope this helped. And if you want more short guides like this, feel free to check out the next one.